look who it is. What are you doing? You want to see what Giuseppe's doing? Let's go see the mess he made for me. Giuseppe, what are you doing? Where are you? What are you doing in my truck? You pushed it. What are you doing on the? You see, I look stupid. Come on. When you work on cars, you can't get up. Come on. Oh, your hood's caught?
Yeah, what do you think I'm doing?
I thought you were just like, no. I can't get up because I'm dirty or something stupid.
See this?
Man, what do you do? Yeah, I see that.
This is a turbo.
I see that.
Okay.
How's this thing get oiled? Oh, look, oil holes.
See the oil holes?
Okay.
And then it bolts up here.
In and out.
These bolts are tricky. These bolts, do not take them out and then put the turbo in because you won't get these bolts back in. So you got to leave the bolts in the turbo, at least the back ones, and then you put the turbo in with these bolts hanging there.
There you go.
Because then the top of the bolt hits the stuff around the turbo.
Yeah, you can't get it in. Look, it's turning. Hey, how it turns in there? That's a turbo. This turns that. This turns this. This makes air, pushes it into your cylinders, and it raises your compression. What do you think about that? That's how it works.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
The thing is, sometimes these hoses get stuck, and if you
That hose has been on for 25 years.
Exactly. If you turn the hose, sometimes it kind of unglues itself. So if you can't, sometimes
Glue,
you
yeah.
can't
It ain't gonna come off. Oh!
We're good.
My man Giuseppe. Often imitated, never duplicated. Look at that sexy piece of machinery there. I like pipes.
Yesterday, I got in the tow truck, and it's kind of cold, so I let it warm up before I jump in. Warming up, and there's something dripping. As you say, there's drippings.
There's drippings. It's about that time of year. It's dripping time. Thanksgiving.
And it's drip, drip. But sometimes, if it's going drip, 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 it could be one thing, but if it's going drip, 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 drip. Okay. Anyway.
What are you talking about?
It wasn't brake fluid, it wasn't gear oil, it's my favorite. Diesel.
Oh, that's great.
Okay. But the truck was running fine, so I was thinking maybe it's the return line.
It might be.
So
all right,
now what I did was, the good old 90s had to screw everybody over, so this is the turbo, okay?
Yeah.
It's a good turbo, the bearings are good, everything's fine. The problem is, guess where this turbo is?
Yeah, it's
right
on top of where whatever
because
was
the whole
leaking.
top of the engine was wet with diesel.
And this was in the way.
And guess where this was? Best spot it could be.
So what
I
you gotta
took
take
the turbo off, I took the intake tube off. So now, what I gotta do is, I can now see what exactly is leaking, because I still don't know.
Right.
You know? Well, you can't really see it now, because it's been sitting over
Well, it dried up a little, but that was a lot of...
But this is all wet with diesel, from the front of the engine to the back of the engine. So now I gotta figure out... So now I gotta exactly see what's leaking here.
It could be this, anyway.
You know, it could be the glow plugs, you know?
Well, we'll figure it out. Could be the glow plug.
There we go. Let's wait for
If you think the glow plugs are leaking fuel...
Something else is leaking. Hey!
Yo!
Hey! I got a question for you.
Oh, no,
Real
no,
quick.
no, the joke.
What do farmers say when they party?
Oh, come on.
Turn up the beat.
Turnip the beat. How'd
No.
you climb that angle out?
What's a turnip?
It's a fruit.
It is?
Got it off?
Yeah, just gotta get the O-ring out.
Oh, that's terrible. There's the old one.
That's the whole
This is the
problem
new
right
one.
there.
All right, here.
Now,
put the
I'm
new
going to
one back
replace
on.
all of them. I got a pack of 6. I'm just going to do all of them because you know
Yeah,
what?
yeah, yeah.
If I only do the one, what's going to happen in about
Dude, who knows how old
3
these
days?
things are.
You're going to get another leak from a
Go.
different O-ring. So I might as well do it all now.
Let's do it.
Yeah, you put the seal flush and you bolt it in. Now what happens is this seal doesn't go inside this piece over here. This hits right over here and it squishes the seal when you tighten the nut and it seals everything together.
You let it catch my hand, right?
Of course.
Zap, how we making out here?
Okay, just doing the last line.
Last fuel line?
Last, diesel line, if that's what you want to call it. Look.
There's your new ones.
Look at
and
this.
there's your old ones.
There you go.
Let's go, hammer it out.
They're shot.
There's your new hose. See, these are special hoses. It almost
From-
looks like they got like a fabric around them almost. See
Yes.
that? Not literally, but it's a hardened rubber, high pressure for diesel line. You gotta make sure you get the right
From
stuff.
International. See?
gonna put the intake tubes on now for the turbo and stuff. The clamp is stuck, so I'm gonna make it unstuck. The clamp, I can't tighten, so I have to make sure that this loosens. This way, you can tighten it up, it looks professional, it's factory clamps, and stuff like that. Oh, look how beautiful. That's how hot that is. It's like in the movies, you know? The werewolf's coming. And now what are you doing? You're bolting on the tube?
The hold downs, I guess you can call it.
Those two clamps I heated up, they went right on. They spun on nice and straight. Beautiful.
Okay, now I have another intake hose.
That goes to your air filter. I would put that on first.
Like that.
Put
Let's
the rubber
do the
first.
exhaust first.
Okay. Hey, go under the truck.
Alright. Because I'm almost done here.
Look at these clamps, how beautiful. This is the exhaust clamp. You take it off, unclamp it, see? You put it around whatever's gonna clamp, and then you hook it on, and then you can tighten the bolt in the front.
It's a beautiful thing.
It squeezes it, see?
It's just a beautiful thing.
It is.
I'm pushing it through.
Go ahead, up you go.
Highway 66.
That's it. All right, now you gotta curve it up towards the exhaust. Just like that, hold it just like that.
I'm good?
Yep.
Mixing.
Now put that other hose on and you should be all right. That's it. Push, push, push. Go, push. Here we go. You're
in.
Giuseppe, how you making out with all this?
Pretty good. Just gotta tighten this up and I'm gonna hit the key. Now, it might not start off from the first shot because I had the fuel lines off because I was doing the fuel hoses.
Yeah.
And diesel came out. So it
But
might
listen,
not
this is this mechanical fuel injection like that. This is computer control. I don't think that'll happen.
I didn't think so.
No? Right, shut it off and that's that. What am I gonna tell you? No.
Wait, I got
Taking over the world.
got a
It's
question.
done.
I got a question for you.
Done.
I got a question for
I
you.
don't know how to answer it.
Yes, you are.
It's after 5.
One set of diesel fuel leaks on the tow truck at a time. Hey, Bob, come here. Got a question. I actually have a question. Lee,
I love you,
come here. Bob. Knock, knock.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.